The iPhone 16 Pro Max, which launched last autumn, is already a top contender in the smartphone market, boasting outstanding performance, epic battery life, and stunning photography capabilities. But Apple isn't stopping there. The rumored iPhone 17 Pro Max could bring even more exciting features to the table. Performance and battery life. One of the most anticipated improvements is the processor. Running the iPhone 17 Pro Max on a fresh A19 Pro chipset should enhance battery life and performance. Plus, discussions about new camera upgrades are already buzzing. Imagine even better battery life and faster performance in the next-gen iPhone. Design and display. Apple might be planning a significant redesign for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, potentially transforming its look compared to previous models. The larger 6.9-inch screen size is expected to return, but with a twist, a horizontal camera strip reminiscent of Google's Pixel flagships. There's also talk about Apple considering switching from titanium to aluminum for the frames of its Pro phones, although this remains a topic of debate. Display technology. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could also see display advancements. Rumors suggest Apple might use low dielectric constant (LDC) technology for this year's Pro model panels, making the displays more durable and energy efficient. Colors and camera enhancements. Color options for the iPhone 17 Pro Max might include teal titanium, green titanium, and dark green titanium. As for the cameras, expect a continuation of the 48-megapixel Fusion and ultrawide lenses, with an upgrade to a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. There's even speculation about a variable aperture for better control over depth of field. Front camera and AI enhancements. Rumors suggest the true depth front camera could get an upgrade to 24 megapixels, compared to the 12-megapixel lens in current iPhones. The iPhone 17 series is also expected to feature new A19 chipsets, possibly built on 2nm technology for higher performance and less power utilization. Additionally, Apple might increase the RAM to 12 GB, focusing on improved AI capabilities. Battery and charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max set a high bar with its impressive battery life, averaging 17 hours and 35 minutes in our tests. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might have a hard time beating that, but we're hopeful for an improvement in charging speeds. We could see faster charging capabilities in the next model. Software and AI functions. By the time the iPhone 17 Pro Max launches, iOS 19 will be introduced. While both the iPhone 16 and 17 Pro Max will benefit from this update, Apple might build some iPhone 17-specific AI functions. For the most part, though, the same AI functionalities will run on both models. Assuming a September 2025 debut for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, there's plenty of time for new rumors to surface. We can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us next. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Share your thoughts about the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the comments below. We'd love to hear what features you're most excited about.